Have you ever felt like a major life change could be as cataclysmic as the end of the world? Well, picture this: a family's cross-country move that takes an unexpected turn, not towards a fresh start, but into the path of a looming asteroid impact. Intrigued? Let me take you on a journey beyond the silver screen into a real-life cosmic drama. In the midst of the 2021 disaster film Asteroid, Spencer, Lynn, and Zoe find themselves swapping the chaos of city life for the tranquility of the countryside. Little did they know that their escape would place them directly in the crosshairs of an astronomical anomaly, the elusive asteroid 2007 FT3. Fast forward to 2007, astronomers first detected 2007 FT3 before it vanished into the vastness of deep space after a mere 1.2 days of observation. Years later, attempts to locate it proved futile, leaving scientists in the dark about its specific orbital path. The suspense builds as we delve into the uncertainty surrounding the asteroid's whereabouts. Imagine this: NASA ranks 2007 FT3 as the fourth potential threat, with only 3 asteroids standing between it and the top of the list. The challenge? Pinpointing its exact location. While we know where the Earth will be, the asteroid's orbital unpredictability complicates the equation. Could it coincide with Earth's position on October 3, 2024? The answer lies in the realm of probability. NASA estimates the odds of a collision this October at 1 in 11.5 million. March 2030 offers another potential impact date with slightly higher odds. It's a cosmic game of chance where predictions are based on multiple scenarios. The question that lingers: will 2007 FT3 merely graze the edges of our existence, or is there a genuine threat? Before you start building your apocalypse bunker, here's a reassurance straight from the experts. Despite its ranking and potential impact dates, NASA emphasizes that there are no known asteroid threats to Earth in the next century. The odds may be there, but the probability of a catastrophic event remains low. In the grand cosmic theater, the storyline of Asteroid 2007 FT3 is riveting, yet the chances of a cataclysmic collision are minuscule. So as you go about your daily life, remember the cosmic ballet continues, and for now, we're not in immediate danger. Whether it's an asteroid or a family's fictional journey, the unpredictability of life keeps us on our toes. With that said, thanks for joining me on this cosmic exploration. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground.